Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olga Azaroff. I am a Rhinestone artist and designer. I create some crystal bling sparkling art with original rhinestones and also with Swarovski rhinestones. And today I would like to share with you some technique with which I'm working, yes, and to show you my art. So I have the shipping today, and the first canvas that I will ship is, it's Playboy bunny. Let's show you closer. It's sparkling a lot, I think. Yeah. So I created by my hands using SS20 rhinestones, which I applied each crystal by hand. So it's created on black canvas, and rhinestones I applied directly to canvas. Right. Next type of art that I work is portrait. So I take a custom picture and make design in Photoshop that allowed me to create Dot's portrait, and it's Swarovski portrait, where I am using different mixed sizes of crystals, and it looks amazing. This crystal I'm applying to the glass. They applied permanently, and it's a gorgeous gift to your friends, to, I don't know, to yourself, because it's excellent in any interior and luxury gift to your relatives, friends, and people that you love. Then my studio are creating different illustrations like here. So we create digital illustration, then printing it on very good high quality cotton canvas and apply rhinestones above. We have a lot of different illustrations. I will share with you my shops there, where you can find my illustration, and maybe we'll find something special for you. Like here, it's gorgeous Jimmy Choo pearls. Each crystal is permanently glued by hands, so it takes around several hours to create this canvas. Next type of canvases that I make, it's canvas full covered with golden leaf like background. So here is 3 layers of golden leaves, which is applied by hand, and the image full covered with different shades of crystals. You can see how it's sparkling. So it's a very unique, accurate work that takes around several days to create it. I can create any type of designs or special illustration, or special also logotypes of your company, I don't know, in this technique. Each crystal is glued permanently, and it will not fall down, so do not worry about it absolutely. So in some canvases I'm using crystal diamond dust. It's glass, not plastic. It's glass diamond dust that create also a special effect with sparkling, and it's very nice in nighttime, and very good to cover large images. Also here is I'm using big very large gems. They are also applied permanently. Do not worry that they will fall down. So I have also different designs of these types canvases with diamond dust, and of course I can mix all types in one canvas according to your request. This is my very favorite canvas that isn't sold yet. It's canvas of Merlin Monroe. It's very popular here photograph. I absolutely love it, and I apply a Gucci template, Gucci logo. Above each crystal is very small tiny crystals that are applied by hand, so it also takes a lot of hours of work, but the result is very nice. I'm planning to frame it, of course, because it's a very luxury piece, and I would like to that it will be in frame. So thank you very much for looking this video. Here is just a little part of my artworks that I create. I hope I will download more videos soon, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Sorry for my English, I'm just studying it, and hope you understand everything. Thank you, bye bye.